Today guys, we're going to be having a different type of video. We're just going to be backyard bashing with Byron, Cass, and I, and having a good old time showing you what we do on a daily average when we're not really trying to film. Hope you enjoy. Oh my gosh. That body's gonna get destroyed. Oh my god. Oh my god. You blew the foam out? Whoa. You almost took my leg out. Nice double.
You broke it, Brett.
I broke what?
Rear drive shaft.
How did you break a rear drive shaft?
Whenever you bumped into me.
Oh. I didn't know. I just twisted your drive shaft off. I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Okay.
You know what we do.
Is it front wheel drive now? Oh my god! Oh my god! Front wheel drive.
Oh.
Oh. Is it just one wheel drive now?
Yeah, I just broke something else.
What else did you just break? Did you break that drive shaft? Yeah, you broke that drive shaft too. This is on 4S?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, the 6S ESC crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. That's my new truck, babe. Byron's one-wheel drive car. Oh. Right into the dog poop. Oh no, that's right into the. Oh, I stopped it.
So it's just yours on the stop.
Oh my god! I tucked it in so fast. Something already broke on that thing?
Oh, I broke something.
Why? No power or what? Is it hot?
No. It might be, I don't know.
Or the battery dead? I lost the A.
Oh.
The body's so deformed. That did not land good. That did not land good at all. But it's not broken. Let's see. Not on that ramp.
That's so weak.
Xmaxx probs.
Try to stop it.
Yes, sir.
Where did it go?
What are you doing? Put it in reverse and floor it. Okay, now put it. Oh, stop. Just stop. You're gonna lose nuts.
Really? What's up, guys? We are giving away a brand new Traxxas Maxx, a brand new red Traxxas Maxx in the box. All you have to do is go to lifeofballin.com and get entered to win this brand new Maxx. You know why we're giving it away? Because we love you, but also because it is the strongest RC car we've ever played with. So you don't have to have any worries about slamming it into a tree. All you gotta do is just put the battery in and have some fun. So go to lifeofballin.com and get entered to win this brand new Maxx today.
Man, that was a crazy wreck right there, bro.
I'm a little entangled.
Here, I got it. Thank you.
Now just eat it.
Good to go.
Are you ever... We'll love you forever and ever still. Like Ted. Oh. That was dope. Which one to watch? I'm gonna watch this one because it crashed. Honey, you are gonna lose. I'm just waiting for the moment that you're driving across and he jumps and he just lands on top of you. How rude. I'm just gonna go and video scenery and stuff like over here because y'all are throwing dirt on me and stuff. This is mean. Look at how pretty this backyard is. There's that's a turd.
And turn left.
Ouch. Sick kickflip, bro.
Thank you.
I was talking to her. Oh no, she broke it. So how did it feel?
How did that feel?
Can't make fun of people. How did it feel to flip upside down? Are we destroying body? Stay on or else we'll shank you. Okay, it's on. She flipped over on the side. Make her walk. I think honestly, if you'd have just kept in it, you'd have probably done a backflip. Hey, you're like driving off by yourself.
What? This thing has a mind of its.
I'm telling you, Xmaxes are possessed. Just really destroys everything.
It feels good. It breaks so violently.
That was like so loud. That sounded rough. I'm just waiting for somebody to hit this tree right here. What was that? Hey, you did a front flip.
Hit the gas.
Yeah. Broke the drive shaft.
You broke the drive shaft. I think I have that piece though.
Nice, you broke a drive shaft.
So, just send it.
I can't believe she broke it.
Just send it. It's just steering so hard. Oh, I thought she was still sending it, even though she shouldn't. Oh my gosh, that thing is hot. Oh, she broke the metal. Yeah, you broke the metal.
Nice!
There you go. Reward. That's like, just so you know, those are $20 drive shafts. Each.
What are you doing?
I could feed a whole family.
What are you doing?
It's breaking is what it's doing.
I'm not. Dude. What? I'm not hitting it. I'm not hitting the gas. I'm not hitting the gas. What is going on? I don't get it, dude. I don't know what's going on there.
It's possessed.
Do you think it's the receiver?
The receiver couldn't be messed up by the gyro because
But the thing's not even on.
that don't matter. You gotta think about it. Internals getting slammed around like how you've been slamming them around.
So you think it is the receiver?
Probably. We have 40 others.
Yeah.
40 more. Anyways. Hey, where you going? Keep driving it. Yeah, I sent mine hard.